What's the meaning of activation? Activation. 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 In the context of machine learning and neural networks, activation refers to a mathematical function that is applied to the output of a neuron. This function allows the neuron to produce a nonlinear output, which is important in modeling complex relationships in data. The choice of activation function can greatly affect the performance of the neural network in terms of accuracy and speed of convergence during training. The result of activation is the transformed output of a neuron, which is then passed on to the next layer in the neural network for further processing.